Mullvad VPN Honest Review. Watch before using. Mullvad VPN is one of the most privacy-focused VPNs on the market, built for users who prioritize anonymity and security over everything else. Unlike most VPNs, Mullvad doesn't require an email address or personal information to sign up. Instead, it generates a random account number, making it nearly impossible to trace usage back to you. The service supports WireGuard and OpenVPN, offering fast, secure encryption without logging user activity. It's based in Sweden, part of the 14 Eyes Alliance, but its strict no-logs policy has been independently audited, confirming that it truly doesn't store or track data. Mullvad allows connections on up to 5 devices simultaneously, supporting Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, as well as routers. The app is minimalistic, offering a simple connect button without unnecessary clutter. There's no flashy marketing or upsells, just a focus on functionality. It also has built-in features like kill switch protection, DNS leak prevention, and IPv6 support, ensuring complete security. One of its biggest strengths is multi-hop, which routes your traffic through multiple servers for even stronger anonymity. In terms of speed, Mullvad performs well, but isn't the fastest VPN out there. It prioritizes privacy over performance, so while speeds are generally stable, they may not match some mainstream VPNs optimized for streaming or gaming. Speaking of streaming, Mullvad is not the best choice if your main goal is unblocking Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer. It doesn't actively work to bypass geo-restrictions, and results are hit or miss. However, for torrenting, it's a solid choice with unlimited bandwidth and strong security protocols. Mullvad's pricing is unique, €1 per month, flat rate, with no long-term discounts. While this means you don't get cheaper multi-year deals like with other VPNs, you also avoid aggressive pricing tricks. Payments can be made via credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, and even cash by mailing money to their office, reinforcing their commitment to privacy. The biggest downside? Limited server locations compared to major competitors. While Mullvad has servers in over 40 countries, it lacks the widespread coverage of VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Additionally, customer support is email-based only, with no live chat, so urgent issues may take longer to resolve. Final verdict? Mullvad VPN is perfect for privacy-focused users, journalists, activists, or anyone who wants true anonymity online. However, if you need a VPN primarily for streaming, high-speed gaming, or 24/7 customer support, better options exist. If privacy is your top priority, though, Mullvad is one of the best choices available.